Hello everyone, this is Adesamayaman from Maths Language Center, and for today's topic we have chosen preposition. At first we are going to look at what is preposition and why we use preposition. Preposition is a word, for example, in, of, to, at, by, for, with, under, above, into, onto, upon, about, behind, beside, before, after, inside, outside, towards, below, around, etc. Preposition is also used to describe position, time of something, also the way something is done. Now, if we look at this picture, we are going to understand the positions based on preposition. For example, the apple is on the box. Boxer upore apple. The apple is in the box. Boxer bhitore apple. The apple is next or beside the box. Boxer pashe. The apple is in front of the box. Boxer shamne. Then the apple is behind the box. Mane boxer piche. Apple in between the boxes. দুইটা বক্সের মাঝখানে. Apple under the box. বক্সের নিচে. The apple through the box. Through the box মানে হচ্ছে এই পাশ থেকে ওই পাশে. Through the box. Apples around the box. কতগুলি আপেল বক্সকে ঘিরে. So these are some examples of preposition. Now we are going to look at the preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. At first, if we look at the preposition of time, we will see at, on, in, for. At is used for specific time. On is used for day and dates. In is used for longer period of time. For is used for time duration. For example, the shop closed at midnight. I do not want to go office on Monday. In England, it's often snow in December. For he wants to go for a long vacation. So these are the prepositions we use for time. Now, preposition of places. The prepositions are at, on, in, above. At, used for specific place. On, referring to an area or surface. In, a place with boundary. Above, much higher place. For example, our house is at the end of the street. 2. She is on the boat. 3. Do you work in office? 4. The sky is above our head. Now, preposition that we use for direction. For example, towards, into, up, across, around. So, towards we use for position. He is walking towards me. Into, indicate entry. You should not go into the old house. Up, higher place or position. The ball is up in the air. Across, from one side to another. He was walking across the road. Around, surrounding or turning. We sit around the table. So these are the prepositions we learned today, and hope you guys enjoyed it and you will be able to use this preposition based on time, place and direction. Thank you everyone.